Hi everyone! Today's Shojin ryori is Cold Miso Cucumber. Cold Miso Cucumber is a dish of cucumber mixed with miso. It's a simple dish that cools your body in the hot summer. The only point to make it delicious is to use fresh and well-cooled cucumbers. Let's make it together. Ingredients: keep the cucumbers in the refrigerator well. Apply miso to the bottom and sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. If you touch the cucumber too much, it will become watery. Therefore, by applying miso in advance like this, you can reduce the number of times you stir and prevent excess water from coming out. Cut the cucumber into small pieces. Put the cucumbers in a bowl and mix with a rubber spatula. It's done. Water will come out of the cucumbers as time goes by, so please eat it as soon as you mix the miso. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。